So our next step is to set our tool length offsets to make sure that our Z position is in the correct location. So what we're going to do is we're going to call up our 3/8 end mill that we're using for our program, and we're going to go through the process of doing a tooling offset. So the first thing we have to do is load the tool into our machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in MDI mode, we're going to type a line of code, and then we're going to call the tool up. So our tool is in pocket 20, so we'll call it T20, and then we'll do G91, G28, we'll do Z0, we'll do an end of block, and then we'll do an MO6. So end of block puts a semicolon in there, so when we write it, it puts it on a secondary line. So we'll hit, so we'll go ahead and hit cycle start.